Hello, here we're looking at today relays. We're going to have a look at why and how you can test them. Standard relay. Have a look here. So I've got here probe tester. I know everyone's not got one of these, but you can use the same with a small live wire onto the plus of a battery, and another wire from the negative of the battery. And if you're not sure, you can get diagrams up like this. Shows you where each wire and what number goes to where. So you can see 30 is the main live, on and off from here, and the earth, and then your power is going to trip over through to here, numbers 87. So we're going to have a look at testing this relay to see if it works. So here we got number 85. Going to connect a negative, and then we're going to go across to 87. Sorry, I've got that the wrong way around there. 85. It's not very clear. 85 here. Then we're going to go to 87, put some live power into it. You can hear that working. So once you can hear that working, let's see if we can get the case off of this so I can show you inside what's going on. Gonna get this reconnected. 85 again. So here you've got a magnetic switch which moves when you put the live power. That's what the clicking is. So when you put the power in, this section here is going to meet, it's going to come over here and meet with this. So then it's got your live connection to run through. Usually if you take one of these off and you got like purple or any sort of dark colour on there, it's burnt. Or you can see this flexi wire here split. It's usually when they're not working. So what I'm going to do now is simulate it like on a car. So your 30 would be the main live that's running straight to the battery. Let's see if I can get a live over here to get onto that. So I'm going to join this to it. So that's a permanent live. Permanent live going on to number 30 of the relay. Sorry, looks like a little bit of glare coming off the phone there, is it? That's your permanent live. We've got the earth on to the 85. Now we're going to run the ignition, which would be the ignition of the car, through here. You can see that moving, click, you can hear a click. Now, if we get a multimeter Sorry if I can't do all of this single-handedly. We'll get our multimeter onto the earth and the negative onto the earth and the live to the 87. Let's have a look at our multimeter. So then we're going to press try and get a good view for you. So now we're going to press our live again. So once we press our live, you can see 12.7 come up on the multimeter there. So this is your ignition, which would be the key. Basically, when I'm pressing here, it's going to be same as pressing the key on your ignition or your start button. So you switch it, that's starting the engine, when it's red, green is off. See, power is dropping, power is back, 12.7, back to 0. So this is working, and take all these off. Let's see if you can see that there. So you got numbers on there: 87, 30, 85. Gonna have to check the video to make sure that looks clear, because yeah, lights and that. I'm in the back of my van here. I know it's a little bit blurry, but see how that looks. I hope that helps. And so there you are again. Looks a bit blurry, can't see, but you can see on the diagram anyway that I showed you on here. I'm sure you can see that. I hope that explains it.